In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error. Microsoft Outlook cannot start. MAPI was unable to load on Windows. This issue usually appears when Outlook is unable to properly communicate with the messaging system, often due to corrupted files, incorrect configuration, or problems with the Outlook profile. The good news is that this can usually be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. To begin, make sure Microsoft Outlook is completely closed. If it is stuck or running in the background, open the Windows search bar by right-clicking the Start button or clicking the search box next to the Start menu. Then type Task Manager and open it from the results. In Task Manager, look for Microsoft Outlook, select it, and click End Task to ensure it is fully closed before continuing. Once Outlook is closed, the next step is to restart your computer. This helps clear temporary system issues that may be preventing MAPI from loading correctly. After your computer restarts, try opening Outlook again to check if the issue is resolved. If the error still appears, you may need to repair the Microsoft Office application. To do this, open the Windows search bar again and type Apps and Features, then open it. Scroll through the list and locate Microsoft Office or Microsoft Outlook, then select it. Click on Modify or Change depending on your version, and choose the Quick Repair option. This process will fix missing or corrupted files without affecting your emails or settings. After the repair is complete, restart your computer once more and try launching Outlook again. In many cases, this repair process restores the missing MAPI components and allows Outlook to start normally. If the issue still continues, running a full update of Microsoft Office can also help, since outdated files may cause compatibility problems with MAPI services. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Microsoft Outlook cannot start. MAPI was unable to load error on Windows. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.